Look, is the 124 Springer that we talked about in the phone, my bike. 2006 model. This is the brand new Harley white line. It's just been put on it. Bike had the original tyres right up until then. Performance machine, 4-piston brakes with Russell floating calipers, all braided lines. Upgraded brakes front and rear. Duco's original, factory condition. The bike's been covered with factory accessories. We've got the fully chromed switch housings and clutch and brake perches, both sides, all fully chrome plated. CVO knurled set of grips and brake and foot pegs. Come in here, leaves the bit of artwork, the 124 Cube by Brian down at Eastern Big Twin. CC to 10:1 compression, 585 easy start cams, full gear drive S&S high volume oil pump. Is the Patriot 2-into-1 large bore system. Further down here in the bike, the Russell rear brake, and 2006, as discussed, is the only model with the 200 rear, and this bike features the forged rear rim. Smoke lens taillights, genuine Harley Davidson, front and rear. Custom Joker machine LED brake unit. This was a one-of that I managed to get from the States, and they're no longer produced from Joker machine. LED actually incorporates the flashes, show that lead, into the sides of the lenses, like so. Okay, move around here again. Accessories, chromed genuine HD top and bottom belt guards, now obsolete cast genuine HD rear axle cover kit, sprocket cover kit, rear peg genuine HD mount covers, Joker machine rear pegs. We'll work our way down along here, lead. Heavy duty Screaming Eagle leads to the engine, and this is quite unique. This is actually a very early Evo custom cover from MC Motorcycle Art, and it actually uses an adapter plate to fit up to the twin cam engine. So beneath this cover you've actually got a 5-mount twin cam mounting, and I'll take the old-fashioned Evo covers. Moving along again, we've got the CVO foot peg kit, and if you come around here, Lee, we'll get the Junior HD oil cooler. Yep, HD oil cooler, which was done on the bill. That was probably about $450 on its own. I've got the accessory cover over the voltage reg. If we come down to here, you'll get the genuine accessory HD axle covers. The bike features almost every genuine HD accessory that was available for the model. We'll start her up. Get the dash here into neutrals up. Got that. You can follow me up here. Run and start.